Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to upload files to Claude Projects. So Claude Projects are a great way to have a centralized database of reference documents that Claude can use for instructions or for persistent memory. And to access projects, all you have to do is click on the button at the top left of your screen. As you can see here, this opens up the sidebar. And underneath the sidebar, look for the Projects tab. And here you'll be able to see your active projects. So let's say you have one, simply click on New Project here at the top right. Let's call this Project Production Planning. And then you can also add a short description and construct and organize production plans for YouTube videos. So let's say that's the project and project description we want to work with. Let's go ahead and click on Create Project. And here you're going to see a few things. So if you look at the left-hand side, you're going to be able to see memory. And this is the persistent memory across all chats underneath this project. And then you also have your instructions and your files. So what we're interested in is in the file section. So let's go ahead and click on the plus button at the top right corner of the files tab. And we should have a few options. So the easiest one to use is simply to upload from a device. You can also add text content or link a GitHub page or repository, but we'll be uploading a simple file for now. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, navigate to my downloads, and upload a file. So that's pretty much how easy it is to do. You can upload any format of file, pretty much documents, PDFs, even, if I remember correctly, even some program scripts like Python. Those should be compatible as long as they are underneath the size limit, which I believe is 25 megabytes. So with the files uploaded to our Claude project, we can now freely reference this document in any of my chats with Claude underneath this project. So it's a great quality of life improvement. And it also just helps keep things a bit more organized. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.